Good morning, students. Before this, we have seen that Evans, who was disguising himself like McCleary, was sent to the hospital, and the governor asked for ambulance and go and find out to Evans from the Elsfield way. And when the ambulance reached there, they found that Evans was vanished. Evans was gone from there. Evans was gone from there. Okay, and it was the information that was given by the driver of the ambulance. Okay, and governor has not paid much more attention to it. Okay, and then after he found that then after he come to know about McCleary. McCleary was securely tied in his bachelor chamber on the chair. He was securely tied on the chair in his bachelor chamber, and his mouth was totally stuffed closed. Okay, since 8:15 a.m. Okay, inquiries in Newbury was made throughout the day, but it has produced nothing at all. Okay, and by the tea time, every person of the HM prison jail come to know that what has happened. Okay, and the jail authorities come to know that it was McCleary who had gone outside. And Evans was stayed in the jail. Okay, now the scene of the hotel where Evans has gone, and the fish and the chips were delicious. The fish and the chips which was given to Evans in the hotel was very delicious. Okay, and after a gentle walk in the center of the chipping norton, Evans returned to the hotel and have an early night. Okay, and have early night. Okay, he wanted to go and sleep, and also informed to the receptionist that he would like to have a newspaper, the daily. Okay, and Evans is also thinking about his short cropped hair, and he is also saying that Jackson has stolen his seizure, and it was very difficult for him to cut his hair short, but from his seizure he has cut his hair short. Okay, and he has good luck. Because Stephen Jackson has asked him to put out his bobble hat, but he said that this hat was very lucky charm for him, and all the luck in his life was brought by this hat. Okay, and the worst thing which was for Evans in disguising himself just like McCleary was the beard, because he was having an allergy from sticking the plaster, and from sticking plaster, okay, there was it has become red, and it has become red. Okay, it has become red, and it was very painful. Okay, by the way, the receptionist was not the same girl when he reached at the reception, and the receptionist was changed. Okay, and the change was too good. Okay, and he collected the key from the reception, and Evans gave her best smile. Evans gave her his best smile. Okay, and told her that he would not bother about his breakfast. Okay, and he ordered the newspaper, that is the Daily Express, and asked him for an earning call, and he asked to the receptionist to call him early in the morning at 6:40 a.m. because his tomorrow will be very busy schedule. Going to explain, and now I am going to explain the remaining part. He whistled softly to himself as he walked up the broad stairs. Okay, and Evans was whistling when he was going upstairs. The stairs were very broad. He did sort of like the idea of being dressed up a minister, dark color and everything. Okay, and it was liked by him that he has dressed himself just like a father and dark color and everything. Yes, it had been a jolly good idea for McCleary to wear two black fronts. Okay, and McCleary, the invigilator who has come inside for the invigilation, it was very jolly idea. It was very jolly idea that he was wearing two black fronts, two collars, but that top collar, oh, it had kept on slipping off the back stud and time to time. Okay, what do you mean by stud? Stud means two-headed button-like device put through button holes to fasten a collar. Means collar को बांधने वाला एक बटन. In हिंदी collar को बांधने वाला एक बटन. Okay, and and Evans is saying that this collar was, which was fastened by the button, was slipping time to time, and there had been that one panic moment came when McCleary had only just got his hand up to his neck. Okay, in the time is to stop the collar springing apart from Stephens. Okay, when Stephens peeped through the hole, it was a very critical time. Panic moment. Okay, panic moment or fearsome moment when the collar of McCleary was slipping, but he put one of his hand to stop the collar from the slipping. They had got that little problem work and out all right. Okay, and this was the little problem, but they have worked everything properly good. And a pen stuck in the mouth whenever the evil eye had appeared at the peephole. Whenever Stephens used to peep in the hole, Stephens used to peep in the hole, Evans put his pen between his lips or in his mouth. Okay, in his mouth, easy. But all that finding about under the blanket with the black front and the stud at the back of that collar, that had been far more difficult that they had ever bargained for. Okay, but it was very difficult job for Evans to find about to prepare himself or to wear front collar and front collar and overcoat under the blanket. Okay, and it was a very difficult job. Okay, it was a very difficult job as they have thought. Everything else had gone beautifully smoothly and everything was too good and there was no problem. In the car he had found everything they had promised him, and in the car everything was found by Evans which was promised to him as soap, water, cloths, the map. Yes, the map of course, and the map, the Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire, and there was the map, Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire. He had got some good friends, some very clever friend, Christ. Okay, and Evans was happy that he was having good friends. Okay, some very clever friends. He unlocked his bedroom and closed it quietly behind him. Okay, the door was unlocked. Okay, the bedroom door was unlocked by Evans, and he closed very peacefully, very quietly when he entered into the room, and then stood frozen to the spot like a man who has just caught a glimpse of Gorgon. Okay, glimpse means sight. Gorgon is a Greek monster. And Gorgon is a Greek monster, and it changed everyone into stone who looked at her. It changed everyone to a stone who looked at her. Okay, Gorgon. And when Evans unlocked the door and closed quietly behind him, and he saw something in his room, and he was frozen. Freezed as he had seen to the Gorgon. Gorgon, I have already explained, a Greek monster who changed everyone into a stone who looked at her. Okay, as he had seen to Gorgon. Sitting on the narrow bed was the very last man in the world that Evans had expected or wanted to see, and the man who was sitting in the room was Governor. Okay, the man who was sitting in the room was governor, and Evans has hardly expected to see governor in his room. Means to say that if there was a single person on the earth, ठीक ना, if there was a single person on the earth whom Evans wanted not to see, that was the governor of HM prison, but he was sitting in the room. It is not worth trying anything. It is not worth trying anything, said the governor. The governor said that, Mr. Evans, don't try for anything because it is useless. As Evans' eyes darted desperately around the room, ran desperately, hopelessly, and Evans ran his eyes, दौड़ाया अपनी आंखें, ran his eyes hopelessly around the room. I have got men all around the place. Okay, my dear students, here here governor is saying that, Mr. Evans, you have been gathered. Okay, you have been gathered all around. Okay, and well, there was only one two really, and in fact there were only two men, but the governor is giving menace to dhamki, menace. The governor wants to threaten to Evans, and so he said that, Evans, you have been gathered by the men all around, so don't try to escape or to do anything. He let the words sink in. He let the word go down. Okay, women too, and also said that not only the men but also women. Did not you think the blonde girl in reception was rather sweet? Blonde girl, the girl with a pale yellow hair. Okay, blonde girl, the girl with pale yellow hair. Meaning of blonde girl, the girl with pale yellow hair. Okay, हल्के पीलो वाली लड़की. And what do you think? That the girl who was sitting on the reception was not beautiful. Okay, Evans was visually shaken. Visually means clearly. Evans was shaken. Clearly Evans was shaken. डर गया, हिल गया. Okay, he sat down slowly in the only chair the small room could offer. Okay, and Evans sat very slowly on the single chair which was in the room, and held his head between his hands, and he held his hand between his hands he held his head, means सर पकड़ लिया. For several minutes there was utter silence. Okay, there was silence, means no one spoke. Finally he spoke. It was the bloody correction slip, I suppose. And then after, Evans said that it was bloody correction slip, I suppose. Well, the governor failed to mask the deep satisfaction in his voice. The governor said yes. Okay, and he has not tried to hide. Mask means hide. He has not tried to hide his deep satisfaction, okay, which was in his voice. Okay, there are few people who know little German, and also said that, Mr. Evans, there are some people who also know German. Slowly, very slowly, Evans relaxed. Gradually, Evans get relaxed. He was beaten. He had lost. Okay, he had lost, and he knew it, very well. He sat up at last, and managed to smile ruefully. And he smiled ruefully. Okay, ruefully means with regret. Okay, regret, and he smiled with regret. And said, you know, it was not really a mistake, you see, and we had not been able to fix up any hotel. Okay, and Evans told that it was not a mistake, but we were unable to fix any hotel. Okay, but we could not work that some other way. We could arrange some other things. If we could arrange some other thing was for the phone to ring just before the exam finished, as the phone rang before the finishing of examination, and for a couple of minutes, some minutes before the phone rang before the finishing of examination. So we had to know exactly when the exam started. Okay, didn't we? Then we come to know that when the examination was started, and like a fool I presented you with a little piece of information on a plate. Okay, and he's saying that I have presented all the information just like a fool in the plate. Okay, just like a fool, I have given all the information in a plate to you. Would I where the governor nodded. It is pretty common word. The governor said it is very common word. Good job. It is pretty common, sir. I have never have known where to come. Would I? Okay. But sir, if I have not have a telephone, then I would never come to know that where I have to go. Would I? क्या मैं जान पाता नाइस नेम ओके द गवर्नर कमेंटेड ओ इट इज़ वेरी नाइस नेम जम गोल्डन लावन how did you come how did you know which golden line it was? There are 100. Evans asked from the governor, how have you come to know that I am in the in this particular Jam Golden Lion Hotel? Because there are hundreds of them, same as you, Evans. Governor said that as you have come to know, Evans, I have come to know same. ठीक है ना? Index number 313, center number 27. Remember, 6 figure. Here are 6 figure. Okay, and you if you take an ordnance survey map for Oxfordshire, and the governor said that if you find an ordnance survey map of Oxfordshire, you find that 6 figure reference, then you will come to know about 6 figure reference 313 oblique 271 lines you bang in the middle of Chipping Norton. Okay, and you are in the, then I have come to know by that figure that you were in the middle of the Chipping Norton. Yes, you are right. We did have opened you to run off to Newbury. Okay, and you were thinking that I will go to Newbury, I will go. Well, that is something. Okay, we were supposing so. The question paper, Evans. Okay, could you really understand all that German? I could hardly. And governor is asking, could you understand all the German? Were you understanding all the German? But I could hardly understand that German. No. Of course I could not. Ivan said no. Of course I could not understand all the German. I knew rightly what it was all about, but I come to know roughly what was it all about, but we just opened it through a few spinners in the works. Okay, but leaving to the question paper or leaving to that page was just like as I have thrown a spinner. Spinner means wrench, WRENCH, wrench in the work. Okay, as some machine is working and I have threw a wrench, just like that mistake I made by me in leaving the question paper. Sort of muddle everybody a bit. Okay, muddle, confusion. There was a sort of confusion in everyone's mind. Ivan suddenly looked at her. Looked a little happier. Okay, all of a sudden Ivan's become happy. Clever, sir. Very clever, sir. You have done a very clever job. That was okay. The job which was done by you was very clever. How to get a couple of points of blood into a cell? Okay, no. Governor is saying that. Oh, sir. Okay, sir. That is a very clever job. Okay, how to get a couple of pins of blood into a cell? How have you got blood in that cell when there is none there to start off with? Starting of the examination, there was not at all such things. When there are none there to start off with, in the starting there was not all these things. But where have you found the blood? Oh, when the invigilator, shall we say, gets searched before comes in, and as far the matter is concerned about the invigilator, he was thoroughly checked. He was perfectly checked. Invigilator was perfectly checked. Where have you found the blood? After all, I might want to see that particulars. Okay, I want to see that particulars. Okay, आखिरकार I want to know all those things. Anything to do with a little rubber ring for pies, perhaps. And governor is saying that perhaps that rubber ring which was brought by McClary, okay, which was brought by McClary was not having anything for this from this matter, okay, anything to do with a little rubber rings for piles, okay. He is thinking that this means that the rubber ring which was brought by McClary has done some work for you, okay. Evans grinned feebly. Grinned means smiled, feebly means weakly. Evans smiled very weakly. Clever though was not it. Okay, this was a very clever job, sir. This was a very clever job. Was not it a clever job? Was not it a clever job? Okay, and must have must have been a must have been a tricky job sticking a couple of pins, okay. Must, and this job which was done by me was a very tricky job. No, you have got it wrong, sir. No problem about that, okay. I am not having any problem from that, no sir, no, okay. And guys, I think that is sufficient for today. I will explain remaining thing in my next lecture.